22 grams of copper 2 sulfate and 50 grams of water were mixed until no more salt could dissolve. The undissolved salt was filtered out washed and dried. It weighed 6 grams. A. Calculate the solubility of copper 2 sulfate at the temperature of the experiment. Part B. Calculate the percentage by mass of the solute in the saturated solution. Solution A. Mass of copper 2 sulfate dissolved is equals to 22 minus 6, that gives 16 grams. Therefore, solubility will be, if 50 grams of water dissolve 16, 100 grams of water would dissolve 100 times 16 all over 50 once, twice, and that is 32 grams per 100 grams of water. Then part B of the equation in the solution, percentage by mass is equals to the 32 over the overall mass, that is solvent plus solute, then times 100%. That will give 24.24%. Remember, it is a mass of solute over total mass of solvent plus solute. Then we multiply by 100%. Before we look at the graphical aspect of solubility, let us do another example where we can now use the formula method. Another example, calculate the solubility of salt Q given that 5 grams of the salt form a saturated solution in 40 grams of water at 10 degrees Celsius. Solution. Solubility in formula is equals to 100 grams of water multiplied by mass of solute over mass of solvent given mass of solvent. And this is the formula that you're going to use to calculate different solubility questions. So that means we have 100 times the solubility, the mass of the solute, which is 5, over mass of solvent, that is 40. That is 1 to 8. Then that divides 4 to 425. And that is exactly 12.5 grams per 100 grams of water at 10 degrees Celsius. And that is our solubility. Another example. It is normally important to do many examples so that we understand them better. Another example. The solubility of potassium chlorate is 5 grams per 100 grams of water at 50 degrees Celsius. How much of the chlorate form a saturated solution with 5 cubic centimeters of water at the same temperature? Solution. Then solubility is equals to 100 grams of water times mass of solute all over mass of solvent well. So we have the solubility as 5, then it is mass of the solute that we are looking for. So that will be simply, when we cross multiply, we'll have 100 times 5 over 5, and that gives 0.025 grams. It is a mass of solute. So without multiplying direct, we can have 5 is equals to 100 times Y over mass of solvent, which is 5. And that will give 5 times 5 over 100 to be equals to Y. And finally, that gives Y to be 0.025 grams. Therefore, mass of solute is equals to 0.025, or simply 0.25. Sorry, that should be 0.25. We are dividing by 100. 25 grams. Our last example, we have a case where now we have 22 grams of salt was dissolved in 40 grams of water. at 10 degrees Celsius. Calculate the solubility of the salt. Solution. So we have solubility is equals to 100 grams of water times mass of solute divided by mass of solvent. So is solubility we are looking for. So that will be 100 times 22 over 40, and that gives 55. Therefore, solubility, simply that and that, 2, 5, 1, 11. That is how we are getting our 55. Solubility is equals to 55 grams per 100 grams of water at 10 degrees Celsius. So that is all about the solubility calculations.